Today I'm going to share how I make my snares hit really hard, because I consider that snares have to hit even harder than the kick. For that I use SSL drum strip and I select the preset called Snare Crushed. Here you can see that it's adding a bunch of low end, a tiny bit of high end, and a lot of compression. And also it's making use of the invert function of the transient designer that makes the snare more sustained, kills the transient. As you can hear, you can do this with just about any EQ and any SSL compressor because they are all VCA. And then the transient effect is something that you can use at your convenience. If you want more transient, you can just shut it down or disengage inverse. In this case, I don't want the snare too bright because brightness sometimes makes it sound dull. And I also want to disengage the transient invert because I want it to have more punch. That's a 500% increase in snare size.